ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle. No, I don't ride a
Can you
bicycle.
ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike. No, I.
Can you sing a song?
Yes, I can sing a song. No, I can't sing a song.
Can you dance well?
Yes, I can dance well. No, I can't dance
Can you
well.
help me?
Yes, I can help you. No, I can't help you.
Can you cook rice?
Yes, I can cook rice. No, I can't cook rice.
Can you draw a picture?
Yes, I can draw a picture. No, I don't. I can't draw a picture.
Can you see the light?
Yes, I can see the light. No, I can't see the light.
Can you jump high?
Yes, I can jump high. No, I can't jump high.
Can you come here?
Yes, I can come here. No, I can't come here.
Can you write your name?
Yes, I can write my name. No, I can't write my name.
Can you open the door?
Yes, I can open the door. No, I can't open the
Can
door.
you close the window?
Yes, I can close the window. No, I can't close the window.
Can you?
Yes, I can hear you. No, I can't hear you.
Can you play football?
Yes, I can play football. No, I can't play
Can
football.
you play cricket?
Yes, I can play cricket. No, I can't play
Can you
cricket.
play badminton?
Yes, I can play badminton. No, I can't play badminton.
Can you clean the room?
Yes, I can clean the room. No, I can't clean the room.
Can you clean the whiteboard?
Yes, I can clean the whiteboard. No, I can't clean the whiteboard.
Can you climb a tree?
Yes, I can climb a tree. No, I can't climb a tree.
Can you eat vegetables?
Yes, I can eat vegetables. No, I can't eat vegetables.
Can you eat rice?
Yes, I can eat rice. No, I can't eat rice.
Can you tell a story?
Yes, I can tell a story. No, I can't tell a story.
Can you smile?
Yes, I can smile. No, I can't smile.
Can you wash your hands?
Yes, I can wash my hands. No, I can't wash my hands.
Can you count numbers?
Yes, I can count number. No, I can't count number.
Can you write in English?
Yes, I can write English. No, I can't write English.
Can you go outside?
Yes, I can go outside. No, I can't go outside.
Can you come to English message?
Yes, I can come to English message. No, I can't come to English message.